On this video, I'll be writing an equation from a graph, and anytime I write these equations, I'm going to be writing in, what kind of form is this? You guessed it, slope intercept. So I'm looking at two things. I'm looking at the slope, which is m, and I'm also looking at the intercept, which is b, and that intercept is the y-intercept. Alright, so let's get started. If I look at my equation, here is the y, my graph, here's the y. See this point right here where my graph intersects the y-axis? We call this the y-intercept. So let's see. I already know one thing. My y-intercept is 4. Next, I need to find my slope. You have two options for slope. I can either count the rise over the run. Okay, so what would that be? I can start on the left side and I go down 2 and to the right 1. So that would be down 2 and to the right 1. Down is negative and to the right is positive. So negative 2 plus 1 gives me negative 2. That's your first option for slope. Is there another option? Of course there is. In math, there is usually always another option. So let's take a look at it. I'm going to move this up a little so I can have some room to write. Let me go back. I'm going to find 2 points. I already know this point here is the point 0, 4. This point is the point 1, 2. I could easily plug this into my equation for slope. y2 is 2 minus 4 over 1 minus 0. This gives me negative 2 over 1, which gives me negative 2. Same thing both times. I can either look at it as the rise in the run, which gave me negative 2, or I can look at it through the equation, which still gives me negative 2. However, I still got to write that equation that we were originally looking for. So y equals, what's my slope? Negative 2. X, and what's my y-intercept? Plus 4. And there's your equation.